Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this short guide, you will learn how to browse the Storefront template marketplace and give your store a polished, professional design in minutes. Let's get started. In your vendor menu, open Templates to reach the template marketplace. This is where Resogra keeps a library of ready-made store designs you can use. The designs are grouped by business type, so you can quickly find a look that fits what you sell. Each group shows how many designs are available inside it. Open a group that has designs to see what is inside. Here, the restaurant group has one template ready to go. Your own business type is marked, so you always know which designs fit your store. Each design shows a preview image, a name, and whether it is free or paid. This one, Ma Crêpière, is completely free to use. Click View Details to see the full design up close. From there you can preview it live and install it on your store with a single click. And if none of the designs feel right for you, click Request a custom template, and the Resogra team will build one just for your store. The designs you have added live under My Templates. And that's it. You now know how to browse the template marketplace and give your store a professional, ready-made look. Thanks for watching, and visit resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.